telling it's getting recorded. So I'm starting arrays now. Okay, let us start. So all of you, morning I have opened. Morning I opened August 17 demos. Classes and objects explanation I have done. Static function, static variable I have done. Okay. For static functions and static variable, video I am not uploading because due to disturbance it has not come properly. Yeah. So for the classes and object, refer the first morning video. Now open add new project. All of you add new project inside the August 17 demos. Not Windows application, console only. Console only. All of you console only. Give the name as arrays demo. Arrays demo. All of you console application arrays demo. Create new project. While creating new project, now you are starting arrays na. File new project, arrays you write. Solution what you will write? August 17 demos you write. That's all. Any of the notes I will send. Okay. Write down console application, all of you open. Okay. Start writing the code along with me. First declare an array. Yes. Declare an array. Like this you will declare an array. This array is of 5 elements. Okay, declare an array like this. So the array will be like this. This is an array. It is of 5 elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will go. Right? So in the earlier class, what I have did, I did like this. 5, then I have given the values. Like this I have given the values. Okay, but I am not giving the values here. Okay, all of you listen, no talking. I am not giving the values. I want to scan the values from the user. So that is why I am declaring like this. Okay, every time I don't want to print the array. Okay, so I will write one function here. One function I will write. So the function name you write down. Public static. Write down public static. No talking. Write down public. Just write static. You write down static void print array. In this one array is going. Yes, no talking. Yes, stop talking. In this one array is going. That array I am printing it. Yes. All of you. No talking. And new project. Don't worry about that. No, right, erase them. Write the code what I have written there. Start writing the code. Don't care about Windows. This here in the track what I do. Okay, usually people this side is yours. Okay, this what is right. Write the code for integer I is equal to, write down, I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. Okay, and I am printing the array console dot write. So in this way I will print the array. You know array printing, you know, I have shown you in the for loop. Yes, like this you have to print the array in 4 spaces. A of I I am printing. Earlier you have printed the array. Now what I am doing, I am writing a function. Inside that function I am passing that method and I am printing the array. There is a function print array function. What it is taking? An array it is taking. Okay. So that array only I am iterating. For I is equal to 0, I less than this one. Just print the array. I don't want to write that code again and again for all the coding. Just I will call that function print array. In that I will pass the array of my choice. Okay. Right. So this program will become slowly big. You try to understand this one. So now start writing the integer I, comma j, comma sum is equal to 0. Like that, declare some variables here. Reading the array. All of you write reading the array. For I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. Okay. What I have to do? Read the array. I have to ask the user na. So console dot write console dot write line. Write you write down. There only I want to ask. Enter. Write and write line. So console dot write means after printing that value, the cursor will stay there only. Write line means after printing the value, the cursor will come down and blink. So what I am doing here, I am printing there only. First element of the array, after giving some space, second element of the array, third element of the array, like that I am printing it. Okay. Okay. Enter element. Which element you will enter? This. So while saying, if I say what is this I 0 na, enter element 0 won't be nice while saying. Let it be enter element 1. Is it okay? Understanding? See, this is an array. Array is like this. Okay. What I am doing? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For I is equal to 0. Okay. 0 is less than length. Yes, 4. So enter element 0. Writing a 0 not good. 0 is I plus enter element 1 I will tell. I will tell 1, but while entering, I will entering in the 0th position only I am entering. Yeah. So now write down the code. So where you will enter? At the A of ith position you will enter. What you will enter? The element. Write down all of you along with me. This program will become big. You have to write down. So and then I want to print the array. How will you print the array? Just call the function. See, this function is static. Okay, static function can be used directly inside the static. Yes, I can use. So I will directly write print array. Which array you want to print? A. Don't worry about the static concept. Just remember, whenever any function is static, it can be used directly here. So I want to show, as I'm making this function as a arrays as a startup project, and I'm running the program. Just I want to show you later on. Again, I will put this one. See, enter element 1. There only the cursor is there only. Huh? Enter element 1, 12, 45, 32, 51, 67. So I'm printing the element. Huh? Printing the array. So all of you try this program. Are you getting the values? All of you once tell me. You're getting the values. Right. So I'm moving forward. Sum of elements in the array. Console dot write line. Slash n finding sum of elements in the array. For I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length. A is what? Array. I plus plus. What I will do? Some variable is there with me. Sum. Sum is equal to sum plus a of I. I will do like this. So sum of elements is there in the array. Console dot write line. The sum of elements is plus sum you provide it. So 12, just I am checking it. 12, 34, 56, 78. Sum of elements 192. Try this code. Yesterday's code share is there. It is visible. Let me check. Code share, it is visible or not once. Let me check. Yesterday's code share. LWX. LWX. What is that one? LW. Yeah, this one. This code share is there. It has not gone anywhere. So down I will put this code, up to this code I will put it. What I have written up to that code I will just put it. Control A, Control C. In the WhatsApp it is there, the code share. Somebody has written the code for the answers. Array. Here also you can check it. And here also code I am writing it. Yes. In the WhatsApp code share code is there. There you check it. Down the code will be there. Exactly down. Okay, you all people have written, na? Up to this you have written, na? Okay. Now write the code for searching the element in the array. Out of 5 elements, I will ask the user which element, at what position it is there, that I want to find out. Okay. So write down all of you along with me. Continuation. Console.writeLine. Enter the element to be searched in array. Enter the element to be searched in the array. Put here /n. Okay, so int element search is equal to convert dot to int console dot readline. Enter element to be searched in the array. So what you will do? How will you search? See, put one flag. Int flag is equal to 0. See, why I am putting flag? If no elements are there, I should tell na. There are no. If the element is not found in the array, I have to tell that element is not there in the array. For that purpose, I am using flag also. Okay. Yes, write down. Write down for I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. Okay, if a of I is equal to the element searched, if a of I is equal to the element which you have sent search, then what I have to write? I have to write like this. Console dot write line the element which element? This element is found at position this position it is found. What is that element? The element to be searched. What position it is found? I plus 1. You have to write like this. Once you found the element, make the flag. Once you found the element, what you will do? Make the flag as 1. Yeah, get inside and do break. Provide the break. If flag is 0, means what? You have not found any element. That element is not there in the array. What you will write? Console dot write line. The element is not found. Not there in array. So like that the coding is there. Just check this code. Try to answer the code. I will just run the program for my understanding. Observe once, observe 12, 34, 51, 61, 21. Enter element to be searched in the array. I am wantedly I will enter 69. It is not there, na? So it is showing there is no element with the not there element. Again I am trying control F5. See, once you see 12, 34, 55, 66, 71. Okay, I am at 72. I am searching. It is found at the position 5. So I have written the code properly. Just analyze the code and try to write the code. Flag, why I am keeping flag? Because if I don't find the element, I should tell that the element is not there. Once I find the element, I change the flag and I will coming out of the loop. For loop I am coming out. And I am telling that there I am telling already I have told the element is found at that position. See the coding, how it is happening. So this much is coming for you, all of you. Searching the element, you are able to search. Yes, that girl able to search. You're doing it. Not doing, not doing it, or not doing. They're coming, huh? Okay. Let me check. Okay, good. So now I am sorting the array. I will sort the array. So you might have learned in the C, different type of sorting: bubble sort, selection sort, insertion. Normal one sort I will try to do. Okay, try to just analyze that one. Huh? So sorting the array. You can write the code now. Sorting. Console dot write line /n sorting the array. Write down. For I is equal to 0. Okay, what I am doing, there is a array is there now. I will start from here. This is I. It will start from here and it will go to the second last element. J will start from here and it will go to the last element. So these two I will check. Which is greater I will swap. Then these two I will check. Which is greater I will swap. Okay. I will start from here, second last. This will go up to the last. So let us see this one. So you can use any sorting of your choice for the array. For I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length minus 1. I plus plus. Inside this another loop will start. J is equal to I plus 1. It will start from I plus 1. Whatever is the I is there, from next element it will start. It will go to the last element. You can open the bracket here if you want. You can open the bracket here if you want. And you can close the bracket here if you want. Inside the for loop, another for loop is there. If A of I is greater than A of J, what is A of I? First element. What is A of J? Second element, I plus 1. J is starting from I plus 1. Okay? I is 0. J is starting from I plus 1, second element. So I am comparing if A of I is greater than A of J, then I am swapping the values. Already logic they have given. So this is the logic for swapping the array elements. So after swapping, I want to print. Okay. So console.write line after swapping, after sorting, printing the array. After sorting, printing the array, print array, which array? A array. So control F5 I will check once. 12, 4, 16, 21, 1. So enter element to be searched for sorting. I have sorted the array. I have sorted it in a proper manner. So all of you write the code for the sorting of array. Write the code. Sorting is happening. Any doubts here? Sorting is happening now. Okay, this much everyone done. Okay, if you are done this much, okay, just I'm putting the updated code, Control A, Control C, in the code share of yesterday's code share only I'm putting. Okay, I'll delete earlier codes and all. Let it be. So I am putting a fresh code down. Fresh array code. Yesterday's WhatsApp, you check it. In that only I'm updating it. Okay. Everyone done now this much? Everyone done, huh? Now actual this thing will come now. What thing will come? Till now, what I have done? I have taken an integer array. Okay. I want to take a customer array, like a user defined object array I want to take. Okay. These arrays are static. If I am telling 5 elements means 5 elements only will be there. Dynamic it will not get increased by itself. When collection comes, then it will get increased. Okay. So now write down all of you on the top of the class program. Write down one class here like this. Class customer. Yeah. All of you on top of the program. Same program. Write one class like this. Okay. I have to tell this one now. Properties I have to tell. Mm. Okay. Okay, write down public int customer ID. Write down all of you. Write down like this. How I am writing write down like this. Create one class here. On the top of the program, create one class customer here. Yes. See, I have to tell you. See, what is this customer ID, customer name? These are actually properties. Okay, properties means what? For a class, the properties will be there, na? Suppose a student is there, he is intelligent. Also, morning I was telling, properties will be there. So this class is having properties. What properties is having? Customer ID, customer name, properties he is having. Suppose bank account is a class. It is having property like account number, all these things. Properties will be there. So here also properties will be there. Means what? It is like an empty variable, empty variable of this customer class. You have to set that value inside that. You have to set some value inside that customer ID. Okay, and afterwards you have to get that value. Okay, you have to set the value in the customer ID, and you have to get the value in the customer ID. Now what I will do? I will declare an array of customers. I will declare. Earlier array of integers I declared na a. Now array of customers I want to declare. Which array of customers? Customer array I want to declare. So all of you write down now. You have everyone declared created a class like this. Okay, done. So now come to the main method. Exactly down. Yeah, all of you created a class like this. Okay, right. Create a class like this. See, class can have methods also, but I'm not putting methods. Only properties I'm defining it here. Okay. You have to write huh? Done. Come to the main method. Complete down main method before console.readline. Declare an array of customers now. Customer C list. declare like this. So what is this? This is an array of customers. Okay. Here I will keep one object of customer, another object of customer, another object of customer I will keep. Okay. Earlier elements integer I was keeping, now customer objects I will keep. Okay. So now write down for reading customers console.writeLine reading customers. How many customers are there? 3 na. One customer object I am iterating. In the first position I want to keep the customer. Enter customer one details. I am asking. Okay. Enter customer one details. Yeah, write down. CC is having one property. What property it is having? Customer ID property it is having. From where you will put the property? Convert dot to int 32 console dot read line. Yeah. Okay, then what I am saying, console dot, all of you write down, along with me write down, all of you. Enter customer name. See the first I am iterating in the loop. Okay, observe here. This is a customer array. Okay, 3 elements are there in this customer array. First enter customer one details. This customer details I am asking you to enter. So one empty customer object also I created. Okay, in that property I am entering the details. Okay, that customer object, first object I will put it here. That customer first object I will put it here. Okay, so what I will do, in the C list of ith position, what is the ith position? 0th position. What I will put? That customer which have filled, whose data has filled, na, that data I will put. So again the loop will iterate. Again the loop will iterate. Again the loop will iterate. Then it will ask for the second customer details. Again one customer object is created. Then again in its property you will fill their values. Again at that position of this C list of second element, you will put this element again. Okay, write down this one, all of you. Yes, no talking, write down. So, turn this side. Write down the code. In the exam, they will ask this customer details and all they will ask. You have to create a customer object. Then you have to fill the details. You have to fill the customer object. What's the WhatsApp group? In the WhatsApp group, the group is done. Yesterday you are only. Huh? Who called? Huh? Yes? No, no. You write the code. You cannot see if I do like this. Okay, I will put like this. Write the code. Yes. Any doubts you are having? Right. Where you have to from where you have to start? You have to start from here, from the customer. Here, any code you are not understanding, please ask. Here, listen. Here, what I am doing. Here, I am setting the value. C dot customer ID. I am setting the value. Setting. Okay. Here also I am doing setting the value. Okay. Afterwards, when I am displaying, I will print the value. I will get the value. Yes, write down. Printing the customers. Okay. Say I want to print the customers. Customer array I want to print. I can use for loop also. For each also I can use. Okay, once I will show you, then you can see. Once I will show you. First listen. I will show you, then you will understand. 12, 3, 4, 5, 67. Okay, enter element to be search 67. Okay. Okay, see here, all of you observe. Reading customers. Okay, reading customers. Enter customer one details. Okay, this is coming not properly, na? Enter customer ID. So I have to put slash n here. Where? Here. Here also I can put slash n. Okay. Now again I will run Control F5. Once check it. After checking, I will show you 12, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Enter element to be searched 78. Okay, see here. All of you check. Reading enter customer ID 101. Enter customer name Ravi. Then again enter customer 2 details 102. Customer name Sita. Enter customer 3 details 103. Enter customer name Mohan. Finally, I am printing those values here which I have entered. Okay. So all of you write this code. Yes, write down the code. Put there /n. Huh? Don't forget to put /n here. Here /n. Uh, write. Write the code. Complete code. Write. Check whether you are able to print the customers or not. Okay. This much done, everyone. I'll put this all code in the code share. Last line I will put. Fresh code again. Okay, up to this you understood how to declare an array, how to print the array, how to read the array, how to search the array. Okay, then how to declare a customer user defined customer array, all these things. So this is single dimension array. Now two 2D arrays we will see, right? Everyone done this one? Okay, now open another project. You open new project, console only. You open console only. Give the name to, huh? Yeah, new project inside the solution only, new project, but console only you have to take. No, no. Right now I'm in the August 17 demos. Morning I have told some Windows application, so that you check it in the video that which I have. Now you should not open anything. From you should not open. You should not close this and open new program. From here only you have to add a new project. I am telling. Today is August 17. Na, in the August 17 only what and all is there. That only you have to add. Add new project here. So I am adding new project. Console application you select all of you. 2D arrays, 2D, two dimensional arrays, okay? 2D arrays. Two dimensional arrays, let us write. See how these two dimensional arrays will be there in this format. Rows and columns will be there, I think so, na? Rows, columns, okay? These are two dimensional arrays, right? Okay. How will you declare, how will you read the two dimensional arrays? Inside the for loop, another for loop you have to write. Suppose I want to print a right angle triangle, something 1 1 1 2 that I want to print, then I will go with the two dimensional arrays. Okay, now first write the code along with me. Declare variables integer I comma j, like that you declare. Doing something or not? Little late. What you are doing? Okay, from arrays you start. You are morning between. That solution. One more solution. You have to separately do. Another solution you cannot add. Inside the solution, projects will be there. So while developing the project, it will ask you in which solution you want to keep. Right now, today is August 17, I am keeping in that solution. So you cannot. Add one more solution. You cannot add another. You are in fire over no? Now you write this code. Yes, sir. 2D array. What about others? Okay, you want Okay. For I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Like this, it won't be there. I less than 5 only it will be there. For I is equal to 0, inside this another for loop will start. For j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Like this, all of you write. I am going right. What is here? J less than or equal to. Semicolon you have to put. You should not put comma. Then you have to say console dot write. I'm just checking the code. Let me check. If it's come proper, then I will update you. Two D arena. Wait. Set as startup project. Just I'm checking it. Control F5. It has not come properly. So I'll start with 1. Let me go till 5. Let me start with 1. Let me go till I. Right line, don't write right line. Just write right. Control F5. Okay. This is fine, but give some space. Try this code. I have not told in the next time, in the next class. Those are SS specifiers. Still, I have not told that I will tell. Public, private, protected, internal, unprotected, internal will be there. I will tell. I will tell. This type of things you have done in C and all. You have done. Pyramids also will print. Pyramids, all these things. Just like that in C sharp, how to do. Let's see. Done this type of things little bit. For I is equal to 0 when j is 0 in this row, this one, then j is less than I. Done Okay. Okay. So two-dimensional arrays, three-dimensional arrays will be declared in this manner. Syntax. Okay. Three-dimensional means what? Height will come. Height also will come. Na? Three-dimensional array means rows, columns, then height also will come. Maybe somewhere we will use space programming and all where we will use three-dimensional arrays, four-dimensional arrays we will use. Two-dimensional arrays I will show how to read the two-dimensional arrays and how to display the values in the two-dimensional arrays. 3 into 3, yeah. Which are three-dimensional arrays. Height, rows, column. Syntax I am telling you should syntax is this is the syntax, comma unity. Okay. So reading two-dimensional arrays. Matrix, huh? Write down all of you. When I am in the first row and in the first column, at that time I will read. I will read at that time. How will I read? I will asking the in that time I'll ask the user console dot write line. Write I will say console dot write. Enter. Enter. Put the square bracket here. Same guys, same logic you will come, but I will print it. Enter element 1 comma 1, 12. Put colon here, guys. Enter element 1 comma 1, 1, 2, 3. What is this? 1, 4, 4. This is how it is possible 1 comma 4. 3 by 3, na? Okay, okay. Okay, first row, fourth element, why it is coming? See, index out of bound exception, I am getting it. Somewhere I have done any mistake. Tell me what is the mistake I have done? Some silly mistake I have done somewhere. Somewhere I have done some mistake. Hmm. Don't give length. You know, three elements now. You better put it three. Three. You put it three. Shh. Better put it three. You put it everywhere. You put it three. Huh? Instead of a, just put three. Instead of a dot length, just put three. Let me try once. One element, second element, third element. Second one element, second element, third element. Again four element, first. So it is coming. Okay, you try. Don't put length. Use this one. When you are using single dimensional array, you put length. Okay, because it again it inside that which length it is getting confused. For in the first row up to what it has to go, it is getting confused. Just write 3 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. You try. Yes, try after this. they will write. Okay. I'm just checking with you for the last. I'm just checking. So another program I will tell. After that, I will put one some assignment questions there. You try to solve that one. Huh? In the arrays one, I will give some assignment questions. Try to solve now. Okay. That code also I can write it, but you will feel bored. So I will put the assignment. You try to do that one. This much everyone done. Matrix 3 by 3 matrix. Yes. Oh, you. Thanks. Okay. So, 3 by 3 matrix. Now this is 3 rows, 3 columns. Okay. There is another array which is called jagged array. Jagged array means what? First row. In first row, I want to keep 3 elements. In the second row, I want to keep only 1 element. In the third row, I want to give 5 elements. That I will decide. That is called jagged array. This is matrix. 3 by 3 I know. 4 by 4 I know. Okay. Mixed manner I want to keep it. Like that I want to keep it. That is called jagged array we call it as. That last program I will write it. After that I will keep some question, important questions only I will keep it in the assignment. Try to solve that questions. Okay. Uh, See what and all is there now. You just practice all the things, and I'll give one model paper also. Just like for solving the exam. 2 exams will be there now. You try to solve those one, then you can clear that exam. Okay. So now last demo, jagged array you come. Open a new project and say jagged array. Right click, add new project. Last console only, jagged array. This is not a matrix. Means in first row how many elements and second row how many elements, I will decide all those things. Okay. So that thing I will decide. So let us write the code better. We'll understand instead of writing this one. Shh. See, you should not write like this. You should not write comma. Jagged array means you should not write like this comma. Another bracket you have to say. Okay, in the jagged array, I know how many rows are there, but in the first row, how many columns are there, that I will decide. That's what we say jagged array. We call it as. Okay, it's not a matrix. It's mixed. Anything it can be. Okay, so you can write the code now. Integer I comma j. Okay, in the first row, 2 elements I want to keep. Are you getting? 4 rows are there. Okay, in the first row, how many columns I want? 2 columns. Yeah, that only I am putting it here. Right. You're tired, huh? What full interview giving? Tired, huh? Did I finish four rows? No, na. Another row is there. Don't forget to write after the J loop. Don't forget to write console.writeLine. You can see the list. Otherwise you cannot see. So this one I am setting as a startup project. Jagged array. Set as startup project. Control F5. So in the row 1, this many elements. Row 2, this many. In row 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. All of you try this program. So I'm stopping the recording here.